How does a retaining wall suddenly collapse? The answer often appears in soil behind the wall. These are not cosmetic defects, they are warnings. But the most dangerous force is hidden behind the concrete. Rainwater infiltrates the backfill. As effective stress falls grows rapidly with waterable loses shear resistance. But concrete is only one part of the failure. Engineers examine the wall, foundation, groundwater, and retained soil as one system. Survey movement and now the failure begins to move and begins to rotate as lateral demand exceeds available resistance. Behind the crest, a tension crack opens. Then the resisting forces can no longer balance the moving mass. The saturated ground advances, pushing the wall outward and increasing its forward rotation. As displacement grows.
After failure, engineers do not simply rebuild the same wall. First, runoff is diverted, trapped water is removed, and the unstable ground is controlled. Only then are sliding or turn.
A stable retaining wall begins with something most people barely notice: controlled water. The soil, therein respect the warning signs. STRUCTIQA.